What is up guys, in today's video I'm going to do the unboxing and full review of a very good laptop stand for the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i. So if you are one of those guys who have this laptop or you are thinking of buying this laptop and you're also thinking of buying a good laptop stand, this video is right up for you. So I have brought this stand with my own money. Obviously the brand has not sent me anything because my channel is small I guess, so please subscribe, that will mean a day for me. So let's open the stand. By the way, it is very lightweight also, and they have also claimed that it is made up of very high quality plastic. So let's just see how well it is actually made. This is by Amaket and it costs around 800 INR, Indian rupees. So if you are someone who is thinking of buying this, I think it's a little expensive, but let's see how well it is. Then we are greeted with a very nice greeting card, and it just basically says thank you for choosing our product. And by the way, the packaging in this is really good. It feels great. So there you go, this is the main deal. So let's just see how well it is. First of all, I can say that the plastic is of really good quality. I have no complaints in the plastic. And now I will also show you how to open this and apply it on your laptop. So this is the Amaket branding. Obviously it's by Amaket, it's a big brand. They make gaming consoles and gaming controllers. So let me just open it. So to open this, you just basically have to press like that, and there you go, that's how it opens. And it doesn't look that great from inside, but basically what you are getting is the quality product. It has 3 levels of adjustments. They say it's a lot, but I think the 3 levels are only the ones that actually work the best. So you can adjust it according to what you like. The last one is the best looking according to me. So here is the sample of how the laptop looks in this. It looks stunning. And I mean, if you're someone who wants your laptop not to heat, this is the best one because it will protect your laptop from overheating. That's pretty much it. If you will subscribe, it will mean a day for me. Thanks for watching. Like him 10. Please do it. Peace out.